Hello everyone. Today we are checking out the 2025 Lego Holiday Camper Van set. This set comes with 374 pieces, 3 minifigures, 7 stickers, and 2 printed pieces. It's marked for ages 6 plus and retails for USD 30 or MYR 139.90, which puts it around 8 cents per piece, which is not a bad pricing at all. This camper van is a fun build with a modern and functional interior and lot of accessories for creating outdoor play scenarios. From the outside, the van looks amazing in white and dark red. There are two ways to get into the van: a small side door, which is printed, and the main cabin door, which swings open for full access inside. Interior is really well designed with smart use of space and attention to lot of little details. There are few sticker decoration on the sides and the color match is a bit off in comparison with the printed element. There are few stickers on the other side as well. There is one sticker representing the TV inside as well as a family portrait on the wall. The exterior is also packed with cool little details. The front grille has a rugged design, and the opening bonnet is great for simulating engine repairs. The cabin doors open seamlessly, giving minifigures access to enter the seating area. Around the back, there are two tiny compartments with doors. One of the door houses the battery, giving access to the charging points, whereas the other one give access to the water points. These tiny little details add a lot of value to the set. On top of the van, you have got a working functional sunroof. This adds a bit of nostalgia and fun to this playset. Above the kitchen area, you have vents and an antenna at the rear end for signal catching detail. You can easily lift off the roof for getting full access to the interiors. The interior layout is detailed and is spacious. The kitchen has a stove, coffee kettle, baby's bottle, a tap, and a sink. The living area has a lounge with TV, table, chairs for the family to have a relaxing time. There are bunk beds for sleeping as well as a baby crib. If we slide that door, we'll get access to the washroom. All in all, the interior is really well thought out and is packed with little details that spark endless play possibilities. Coming to the cabin section, it comfortably seats two minifigures and includes a printed dashboard element. There is even space up front to place a coffee mug or baby bottle. Overall, it's a neat and well designed space. In this set, you get three minifigures: dad, mom, and a cute little baby. The adults are exclusive to this set and come with alternate facial expression. They have got great jacket printed torsos, and with guitar, baby bottle, baby carrier, and campfire accessories, you have got everything you need to spin your own fun camping story. However, there are few small misses. A few studs here and there on the bed, crib, or table could have made it even better for posing the minifigures and keeping things in place. But honestly, it's just me nitpicking over here. So, here are my final thoughts. This is a super fun, creative, and a wonderful playset. The price is also very much affordable. We can create lot of indoor scenes as well as outdoor camping scenes using this particular set. And in my opinion, this is the best ever Lego camper van till date. If you enjoyed our review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Lego fun. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite Lego camper van so far. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.